Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. I have another quick recipe to finish off that Brooklyn bread that I used in the pizza. So the other day I was able to buy this hamburger meat already made up. It has bacon and cheddar inside. I actually got another sweet onion burger. I'm going to use that another day, but for this one, I'm going to use the bacon cheddar one. I have Monterey Jack organic cheese, fire roasted tomatoes, which is optional, and I have that Brooklyn bread. So we're going to get started with the clean pan. We're going to start cooking that one burger. And then when we get it to where we want it, we're going to throw on that Monterey Jack, and then we're going to put it on the Brooklyn bread. Alright, so we got that bacon cheddar burger in there. I'm going to cook it well done. That's the way I like it. But just to let you know, if you wanted to, you could make your own mix. But sometimes when they're running a sale, you can get it, and it's a lot easier than making your own patties. And they're perfect when the store does it. Like those two burgers cost $5. So I'm just going to cook this, and then when it gets to the temperature and the cook that I want, then I'll put the Monterey Jack cheese on there. Alright, so you can see how that's sizzling, and we're just going to keep flipping it. I'm a type of person that likes a burger like medium rare to like almost well done. I know that sounds weird, but I don't like it really raw. Yeah, so I already flipped that one time. You can see that it's starting to get crisp around the edges. The best thing would be if you had an outdoor grill, but like I told you many times before, I have an apartment and a small kitchen, so I wish I had a grill. But just keep flipping that, and then after that, we'll put the burger together. And another thing is with that Brooklyn bread, if you want, you could butter to one side and put it down on the pan and kind of brown it. But so you could do that. The only thing is, this burger is gonna be a lot bigger than that bread. So once I'm done, I'm gonna have to try to cut it. It might not look the prettiest, but it will taste good. All right, so I flipped it 2 times. You can see that grease. I want to try to get it brown and charred around the edges. But if I can't like really char it totally like a grill, as long as I can just brown it. But this is this Brooklyn bread again. Look at that. And you could take this and put your burger inside. Like I said, you could butter this and put this down on the pan if you want. Everything is optional. But that makes for some really good sandwiches, or like the pizza I made before. But I like experimenting with new food. So it's always fun to create things. So we're almost there with this burger. All right, YouTube. So I'm back. This Brooklyn bread, I actually sprayed on canola oil, and I'm going to try to brown this one side. You can see it. So let me just warm that really quick, and then we're going to be done. Or just put the cheese on. Alright, so that bread right there, like I said, I sprayed on the canola oil. You could have buttered it, so I made it a little bit brown. I could have did it longer. Now we're going to just throw that Monterey Jack cheese on here. Alright, YouTube, so we're done. Like, this is that bread. I darkened it lightened it up. I darkened it a little bit. I'm actually going to put a whole piece here and let the burger go. So right now we're just melting this cheese, and then we'll top this, and we have a nice burger. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're done with that burger. We just I just turned the pan off, and now we're going to put it on our bun. I put ketchup on there. Everything is optional when it comes to condiments. Put on what you want. Mustard, barbecue sauce. Alright, so we got that nice burger. And just put that on there. So if you want, you don't have to put fire roasted tomatoes on there. But I wanted to add some on there for some taste, because you're going to have the ketchup and cheese on the bottom. Then you have the burger with the melted cheese, And then you throw some fire roasted tomatoes on there. If you really wanted to, if you put some spicy mustard on top of that, it'd be really good. So let me throw some fire roasted tomatoes on there. All right, Facebook and YouTube, we're back. So there's the fire roasted tomatoes on that thing. I'm like wondering if I should throw mustard on the top. It's a really hard decision. But you could see how that burger got in there and the fire roasted tomatoes. I think actually I'll just leave it as is. It would be good with spicy mustard on the top. All right, so that's done. We're just gonna put it on a plate. And that's how you have your Brooklyn Bred hamburger. Can't go wrong with that. All right, Facebook and YouTube, that's finally done. I got it on a plate, and that's your Brooklyn Bred hamburger. And boy, does that taste good. Look at that. So like I said, your imagination is always there. You can create new things. Things don't always have to look gourmet or pretty, as long as they taste good and you have fun. So this is Dansoy, amateur cook, bringing you a hamburger recipe with Brooklyn Bred. This is your Friday upload. I will be bringing you other stuff next week on Monday. I will go back to the pizza theme. I have so much pizza to cook, and I love pizza. Soon I'm going to start making healthy recipes where I'm going to start doing some salad and chicken stuff and get away from the beef. So this is your Friday upload. Enjoy your weekend. Please hit subscribe, hit the like, and share and tell your family and friends about it so I can keep continuing this journey of bringing you ideas. So love you. Peace out. Amateur cook Dan Soy. Bye bye.